This video is just for education purpose.
Hey prop firm traders, good news again for my social community. AquaFunded is giving certain traders access to a trading account for $1. Not everyone is eligible. It depends on your level, your goals, and where you're starting from. That's exactly what the quiz figures out. 5 quick questions, 30 seconds, and you'll know instantly whether you qualify or not. See if you're one of the traders who gets $1 access to a $1,000 instant account. How does it work? 1. Take the quiz and answer 5 easy questions. 2. Unlock the offer. 3. Start trading instantly. By the way, if you are new at this prop firm, you'll get a flat 50% discount and use the code NODEPOSITTRADING for the current offer. 40% off plus buy one get one free plus 150% refund. Always you'll get the highest discount with this code. Why traders take this quiz? 1. Find your best starting point. Not every trader should start the same. This quiz matches you to the funding path that fits your current level. 2. Avoid choosing the wrong option. Starting with the wrong model can slow you down. We help you pick the one that actually makes sense for you. 3. Get your result instantly. Just answer and unlock your best next step. Quiz preview. Here are those questions that will be asked in this quiz. 1. Your trading experience. 2. Your current capital. 3. Your biggest challenge. 4. Your risk comfort. 5. Your trading goal. Check eligibility right now. I answered all questions and documented in this video for you. I'll show how to pass and get the offer easily. This offer is not available on the website's front page. It's a customized offer, so subscribe to this channel, ask me on Telegram for the complete instruction, and I'll guide you. Disclaimer: I'm not a registered financial advisor. Trading results depend on the trader's knowledge and experience. Returns are not guaranteed. No guaranteed earnings. Trading involves risk, so trade with your own risk. Now, let's take the quiz. For the quiz link and complete instruction, ask me on Telegram. Thank you.